Hi everyone. I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to join me today. My name is Karen Peck and I am your stenograph representative for Eastern Canada and our international markets. I will be doing these videos several times a year to help you learn about your current stenograph technology. Today, we will cover something fun for your Luminex, Diamante, or Wave writers, and that is how to change the photograph on the startup screen. This startup photograph displays briefly when turning on your Luminex, Diamante, or Wave. Here's an example of what you can put on the startup screen. I chose a field of bluebonnets, but you can use any photograph in a JPEG file format. So over the course of the next few slides, I'm going to show you how to download and use the Splash Screen Loader utility. First, we need to download the Splash Screen utility and stock photos that are included in the download from the Stenograph website. Go to www.stenograph.com, select Downloads, then Utilities and Drivers. Scroll down the Utilities and Drivers page until you see Luminex Diamante Wave Splash Screen Loader utility. You will need to hover over the title and then right-click on the link. You will be given an option to either Save Link As or Save Target As. Mine happens to say Save Link As, but they both work the same. It will ask you where you want to save these files to. I usually put them on my computer desktop, but of course you can save it to another folder on your hard drive. I just think it's easier to find them on the desktop. Anyway, once you've decided where to save it, just press the Save button. It will then start saving the necessary files to a folder. This folder, named Splash Screen Loader, will have a zipper on it because the files are zipped for download. Oftentimes when the download is completed, it will automatically launch the file manager and display the files available in this folder. If that doesn't happen, just locate the Splash Screen Loader zipped folder and double-click on it to launch the file manager so you can view the files. Once you have the file manager open, you will be able to extract the files. Just select Extract All. This next window will open that allows you to designate a directory to save the extracted files to. In this case, I'm going to save them to the desktop, so I don't have to change anything. I would just press Extract button to let it start saving the files we are going to use. It will then start saving the necessary files to the Splash Screen folder, this time without the zipper. Again, the file manager usually opens automatically when the download is completed. If that doesn't happen, just find this folder and double-click on it to launch the file manager. Once the files are extracted, you can use the Splash Loader application in the unzipped Splash Screen Loader folder. Double-click on this application to open the Splash Loader utility. This is what the utility will look like when you launch it. The little Browse button allows you to browse through the pictures on your computer to find a JPEG you want to load on your writer. You can select one of your own photographs, or you can use the splash photos that were downloaded with the Splash Screen Loader utility. The folder can be found in the same place as the application. Just double-click on the Splash Photos folder, and it will show you a variety of photos you can use. Here are some of the photos included in that folder. You would highlight the picture you want to use and select OK. It will go back to the Splash Screen Loader window. Before we press the Load button, you must have your writer connected to your computer via the real-time cable, and it needs to be turned on, but not in a job. If you have any writing on your screen, you will need to end the job. Once that is completed, press the Load button and load that photograph you just selected onto your Luminex, Diamante, or Wave. This is the screen you will get when it is successful. Now you can enjoy seeing something much more meaningful each time you turn on your writer. I hope you found this information to be useful. I want to thank you again for taking a few moments out of your day to learn more about your Stenograph equipment. If you have any other Stenograph needs, feel free to email or call me. If you have any suggestions on other short videos you'd like to see, please feel free to email them to me. Have a wonderful day and happy writing!